Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw faster by using ACH instead of wire. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw faster, consider using ACH instead of wire transfers. Start by understanding what ACH is. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, is a network for processing electronic payments. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for ACH transactions to clear. In comparison, wire transfers can take longer and often incur higher fees. First, ensure your bank account is set up for ACH transactions. Log into your online banking platform to find the necessary. Next, gather the required information for your ACH transfer. This usually includes your bank account number and routing number. Verify that the platform you are using supports ACH withdrawals. Navigate to the withdrawal section of your account dashboard. Choose the ACH withdrawal option if available. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw carefully. Review all the entered information for accuracy. Confirm the withdrawal request to initiate the process. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming funds. If the funds do not appear within the expected timeframe, contact your bank. Ensure you understand any withdrawal limits or fees associated with ACH transfers. For regular withdrawals, consider setting up recurring ACH transactions if your platform allows. Familiarize yourself with your bank's processing times for ACH transactions. This can help you plan your withdrawals better in the future. Using ACH can greatly reduce the time it takes to access your funds. By following these steps, you can streamline your withdrawal process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.